Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. I'm sure you guys are just as eager as me for this video because I posted that I was starting to restore this and I got caught up. Part 1 was me showing a brief overview and I actually had to weld this bracket. I got this running and driving last year for 50 bucks and I just kind of got busy and put it aside. This year I wanted to restore it and also in the process, well, I wanted to restyle and restore it. And then this is my, that's number 2, that's number 3. I purchased my first one, and I got that one too, practically at the same time, 2 different people. So the first one I had model number and serial number on there. So I posted just a brief demonstration video because when I went to sell it, I would say, hey man, this thing works. Here's a demo video. Bada bing, bada boom. See you later, love you, bye, pay me. I took pictures because that thing had a model and serial number and this one didn't. Something happened with my phone and then losing all my storage including the photos. So I really wasn't too motivated to try and finish it. I posted the video anyway and I got a lot of comments about people asking they have the same machine and they wanted model number and serial number for parts. So my plan was to start the restoration on this and kind of set it aside and wait for something to come along. Even if I wasn't interested in buying it, I was going to drive there, snap a picture of the model and serial number, shake the guy's hand, thank you, see you later, love you, bye. So it's been almost a whole season and nothing until we're here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted the day I got this. It was late at night. I picked this up for $100. Now, if you want to compare the machines, right? Thatchers are pretty universal. Both of these are Briggs. They're both the same, right? Original, new. So obviously you know a 3/4 shaft engine, like a Honda Predator or whatever, would be perfect. Anyhow, this one has the model and serial number. And it has the original throttle, which mine I deactivated because everything is here. It's not necessary. And if you guys look, I welded this wrong, but it still functions. Now the reason why I welded it up top is because I figure while you're operating the machine, gravity and pressure would keep this is how you set the height adjustment, would keep it going. This is an older Thatcher. That doesn't mean anything. It will still get the job done. It's a power, it's a Thatcher. It's not a power rake. It's a Thatcher. This is the good stuff. This is the stuff that you want. And actually, you see, I just demoed it real quick. Look at that. That's what you want. Not a power rake, a Thatcher. So anyway, those spin all the time, and you adjust the height, and that's when you start thatching. Now, if you think it's pretty funny, right? The downward force is so much easier to set than this. I'm not even going to cut it off. I'm going to leave it the way it is. But in the meantime, I'm going to snap photos, right? I'm going to send this to my decal guy. I'm going to have him make me stickers. Now, is this, like I said, I bought this at night. Yep, everything is eligible. Truck loaders, quality, Jericho Turnpike, Smithtown, New York. Perfect. And it's got a Briggs flatty. It fucking oops, I just cursed. It runs phenomenal. So I'm not going to bore you guys. I'm going to do some paint work on this thing. And I'll show you when I'm all done. And the cool part is the original wheels, right, have grease fittings. I like that a lot. See that? Awesome. Like I said, grease fittings are great because it means it's easier to maintain. I'm not going to do any paint work on the machine. I'm going to change up the white. I'm going to paint the engine. And that's really it. I will reveal the model number and the serial number when I'm done because that kind of forces you to watch the video. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Later. Guys, that's it. We are done. figure I'm doing some garden work, but while we're here, check out the Restyle. Tried to get all the white done. Remember, the wheels are white, everything was white. Painted everything black, surprise, surprise. Redid the muffler. And I kind of stopped at that. To paint everything else seemed a little bit extreme. Remember, I bought this for you guys. Okay? So here's the nitty gritty. This is what you guys wanted to know. Model number 5. I as in Izzy. C as in Charles. T as in Thomas. Serial number 96268962. Alright, now that we have it all together, let's see if she still runs, which she should, because technically I didn't take apart the motor or anything. Uh-oh, you hear that? That's way too low. Alright, transport mode. Woo! Alright guys, that's a wrap. Now, if you found this video helpful, I know you do, you should smash that like button. Please smash that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. And guess what guys, I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.